Hey everybody, what's up? It's Emily here at Curbside Herbs. We're sitting outside today at the porch in our greenhouse. It's about 50-ish degrees, bright and sunny and very breezy here in western New York. We want to talk to you guys today about starting your own seedlings. As we all know, coronavirus is happening, so we're all a little weary about leaving the house to begin with. And then the government has shut down non-essential businesses. So that got us here at Curbside Herbs thinking, well, what's essential and what's not essential? We all think no farms, no food. But does that go for nurseries too? Like, are all the nurseries going to be closed? Are they non-essential? Or are they going to be open? And if they're open, do we really want to go and expose ourselves or risk exposing our family to coronavirus or whatever else is going on out in the world today? So, no, for me personally, no, I don't want to go out. I don't want to take my son out and risk it. So we are going to start as much as we can from home. I know that Walmart and Tractor Supply will have plants for sale, but I don't know what, and I don't know how much of what, because with everything going on in the world, I know some things aren't shipping or they don't have enough supply for the demand. It really all depends. So today we're going to talk to you guys about how you can start your own seedlings from home. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need, and then I will post the links to everything up above, so that way you guys can go online and order it all. But make sure when you order it and you get it that you wipe off your packages or you leave them outside for a couple of days, because you don't want to risk bringing the germs into your house. And we will show you here all that you need. You need these little tiny seed pods. This one has 9 in it, and this one has 6. They come in a variety of sizes. You can get square ones, you can get round ones. It's all your personal preference. You need this tray here to put your little seed trays in, so that way when you water, you don't get water all over the place. You need the lid to act as a terrarium to keep the moisture and the heat in. You also need potting soil. We use Miracle Grow. We have like 2 or 3 bags already at our house because we're planting all the time. And you also need seedlings. So here you go. This is only half of our seedlings. We try to save as many of our own seedlings, or our own seeds, I should say, from our plants from the previous year. But we always like to have extra on hand just in case. So you need seeds. If you're going to be doing peppers, I would suggest you get a heat mat. What I will do is I will post the link to all of this fabulous stuff up above, so you guys can go online and order it. It's just something to think about. Do you really want to be going out to the nursery with all this going on? But I don't want you guys to not have a garden because of everything that's going on. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Email me at emily'scurbsideherbs@gmail.com. Like us on Facebook at facebook.com/curbsideherbs. As I said, don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions about how to do any of this, or questions about what you want to order. We are always here to help. Alright, well, just as I said, something to think about going out with the coronavirus, and we don't know if the nurseries are going to be open, so better safe than sorry. Alright, well, happy gardening!